Yeah, I wanna rap it. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, that mafia? We're back in our music club today with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo, guys, today I got Trvpp. You see me, this up and coming young dancehall artist. You see me, out of Jamaica. That I'll be making a little buzz. I'm doing this little thing, couple songs out there that he had a little. I heard a little bit from him, and I thought, yo, this is you talented as fuck. You see me, so I gotta check him out. You see me, so I gotta check him out and see what I gotta deal with. This is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Trvpp. You see me, the one named Styles and Tricks. This is one of his newer songs. This one he dropped like 9 days ago. We're gonna check out more songs from him. You know what I'm saying? He got older songs. Definitely we gotta check out. Swear dog, but yeah, dog be doing this thing, making a little buzz. I want to check him out and see my deal with. So I don't know what time it is, not all of the vibes. Yo, guys, it shows that over 90% of you guys are not subscribed. So go ahead, take this time to hit that like and subscribe button. You see me? If you're real nigga, you feel me? If you're dumb bad mind, hit that like and subscribe button. You see me? Just do the right thing. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So I'm gonna check it out. This is Trvpp, Styles and Tricks. Let's get it.
Full of style and tricks. Bad bitch, alright, bandit. Say she like bad man, she like bandit. She do anything me say, that Simon this. Full of
style and tricks, she do anything me say, I know Simon this, and Simon says, alright, come in, man.
And tricks. Bad bitch, alright, bandit. Say she like bad man, she like bandit. She do anything me say, that Simon this. Bad bitches off my cocking out of game. Still I chopping on my tens. I'm a popular for real. If I strapping at a straight with a glocking on my jeans. Done master the game, dog chopping at it.
Yo, dog flow does different. You see me, I just like his flow and just the whole, his diction and everything. Or dog just flow, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta stop it, bag of chatting and hopping at the beat.
Yo, the one come in like blood cleat. Our dog named Morpheus out of blood clot. Matrix, how go on?
We don't love it capping, just hacking on the lace, yeah. Just hacking on the lace. We don't love it chatting, just hacking on the lace, yeah. Black chip on my stinking rich. Like a girl with a wife for the kingpin bitch. Touchdown and make off the thing big bricks. When I pay man I sing.
Black chip on me stinking rich. I want to be able to sell.
Big hits. Started the game from me a pitney. Fuck enough girl fat pussy Britney. Say she love it stiff dick. Drop a fat them a fi fuck up in this trick.
Choppy fat be my fi fuck up in this trick. Mash up your lane, you see me tear up your tone, come here.
Heavy chop and a heavy breath, me hot in a heavy craft. Take a one break, push my cock in a Jennifer.
What the hell going on back there? You see the background? The wall and shit, like things coming to it, bro. Kind of demonic shit. What is this, blade, bro? Come on.
Back on the word, no more grabbing a credit card. Dog as a road, I get the cash in my set it off. Don't slide back to back of the heady class. Heady CFT and a room in a heady glass. And a room in a heady.
Any CFT and a room in any glass. Well, fast out, there, man. Stay under the wild, dog.
Me full of style and tricks. Bad bitch, you want ride bandits.
Move so dog. Yeah, man, we like, hey.
Say she like bad man, she not like panty. She do anything me say and I Simon this. Big fat matic on me 9 pan me. And it be my M4, just a drive and drift. Can't mix waste man with my badness. With my badness.
Can't mix waste man with my badness, you see me? You can't mix waste vloggers with my blow reaction. Them I'm to be on yourself.
Don't stand to and them girl just a bounce pan me chan enough.
I told you this man was on some Matrix shit, bro. You feel from see court, I'm like, this man look like Morpheus from Matrix, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Girl, I'ma fuck my buck pan the gram. Girl, I'ma fuck my buck pan the gram. When I pull up on a bus park fam, I know I'ma pull up on the blood club bank. Girl, I bounce for my cocky come my duns.
We don't pull up at the bus park farm, anyway we pull up at the blood club bag. Come on,
I'm got them nah to the game, them a blood club wrong. Me full of style and tricks. Bad bitch, you alright bandit. Say she like bad man, she no like panty. She do anything but say and that's Simon this. Big fat matic on my 9 pan me.
No man tell them it they know full of style and tricks on here. Be able to sell, come on.
M4 just a drive and drift. Just a drive and drift. Just a drive and drift. Style and tricks. Me full of style and tricks. Me full of style and tricks. Chop skull.
Style and tricks, I want to them can't study the pattern. We're different, cut from a different car. Full of style and tricks, so you can't study, can't copy this. You see me? Only one Jambisco.
Duns, Antoine. And I don't see life, you know. Full of style and tricks. Bad bitch. Bad bitches off my cock and out of scheme. Still I chopping on my tins. I'm a popular for real. Ever strapping at
Easy no man, still I chopping on me. Yeah, I'm people up the real.
Straight, but I clacking on my jeans. Don't master the game, dog. Chopping at the leads. Gotta stop it, bag of chatting and hopping at the base. When I love it, capping, just hacking on the leads, yeah.
When I love the capping, just the hacking on the leads. Don't master the game, so chopping at the leads. Bad. Wow, easy no? We not care about the capping, just the hacking on the leads. Come on, man. Yeah, man, big up Trvpp. You see me? We definitely gonna check out more from Trvpp. You see me? Very dope dancehall artist, man. I'm saying real Trvpp, guys, and I'm gonna do more tracks on him. Let me know if y'all want what y'all want to hear. You feel me? Yeah, man, guys. I don't know. The boy Jambisco over there. Let me know what's your favorite part, guys, with the beat, lyrics, melody. What was it? You see me? I said beat, lyric, melody, verse, style, video. The girl, the artist, let me know what's your favorite part. You don't know, drop in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's get this dialogue going. Let me know where it's from, all that type of stuff. Yeah, let me know about the artist. Let me know where you're watching from, what you want to see next. Let me drop your request. If your request is chosen, you don't know, you're going to get your shout out. You're going to see your name on screen and all that. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys. And if you like it, go show the artist all over and support. Make you know, say Jambisco dance. I don't know. Like you know, say Dan Mafia lit over here, so we strong. You know what I'm saying? We're growing. We're coming to take over this YouTube thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. You don't know. Till next time, guys. You don't know, boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I smash and I banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.